Improving the graphics settings in Overwatch 2 can enhance your gaming experience by providing better visuals. Follow these steps to adjust your settings for optimal performance. Step 1. Open the game. Launch Overwatch 2 from your gaming platform or launcher. Wait for the game to fully load before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Access Options menu. Once in the main menu, navigate to the Options section. This can typically be found in the lower right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Graphics Settings. In the Options menu, click on the Graphics tab. Here, you will find various settings that control the visual quality of the game. Step 4. Adjust graphics quality. Look for the graphics quality presets. You can choose from low, medium, high, or ultra. Select the highest setting to improve visual fidelity, but be mindful of your system's performance capabilities. Step 5. Fine-tune individual settings. For more control, scroll through the individual settings such as texture quality, shadow detail, and anti-aliasing. Adjust these settings according to your preference and system performance to find the best balance between visuals and frame rates. After completing these steps, you should notice an improvement in the graphics quality of Overwatch 2. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.